Hello my Liberian people, my name is Pastor Philip Blamo. Today I want to talk about the BB meeting that's going on in Banga, Bon County. The meeting here that the Liberian people call the meeting for all Liberian people, so they can look in the big law book, the big Liberian law book they call the Constitution, so they can make some changes, so they can change something in that Constitution. Something not good, they will change it, and something that need to go in our book, they will put it in there. That's what the Constitution is all about. That's what the big law book. So some Liberian people, they go into Banga, they're in Banga now, they're talking how to make some changes. There are so many things they want to change in that book, and there are so many things they want to add in that book, so it will be better for every one of us. So that's why I want to put it in simple Liberian English so we understand. Some of the things they want to put in that book about citizenship. Some people say they want Liberian people to be citizens in other countries too. So Liberia can be citizen in two places. You can be citizen in Liberia, you can be citizen in America, you can be citizen in England. So that one they're talking about it too. Another one again, the women and people, the women in Liberia say they want equal right too. You know, they want to change part of the law book so they can give the women plenty right. You know, because the whole world changing now, so the women want to get good right too. And in that same book, they want to add another thing in that book about people who cripple, disabled people, so the disabled people can get a right too. Because in Liberia, the disabled people not giving them, you know, chance. They just, when people disabled in Liberia, people overlook them. So they want to add something in that book, in that law book, so the disabled people can get right too. You know, like in America, in Europe, when you see disabled people, they get their own place, they can sit down. Disabled people, the people respect them, but in Liberia, they ain't respect the people, so they want to put that thing in the law book too. And in that law book, they want to put plenty things in that law book. But the thing they want to put in the law book, it will help everybody. That's why the people need to make this thing in simple English so the people can understand how, you know, what they're going to put in that law book. And in the Constitution and the law book again, you know, Liberia is a rich country. You know, the people, they call it the natural resources. They want to make sure that the people will use that the natural resources, you know, for the country. The thing that bring in the money, they want to make sure that they divide the thing among the Liberian people good, so everybody, so they can bring development. So that some of the things the people can be talking about too. But my only thing I want to add there too, the people should have corruption code, because the corruption killing or too much. When you have that corruption code, the corruption code, I don't care who you are, whether you're president, you vice president, you the man who making law, you bishop, when you eat the people money, they must punish you. If you can't pay the people money, they will take everything you got, all your horses and everything you got, they can take it from you. Because if you won't do like that, then it will be hard. People will still be eating your taking people money. That corruption is too hard. So that's my own too. And the second one I want to add there again is this thing here they call liberalization. You know, when you go in other countries, in Ghana, in Nigeria, in other places, the first thing they will say, the country people first. But in Liberia, not that way. Anybody can come in. Anybody can come in. Liberia people put Liberia people first in everything. In the business, let Liberia people come first. In everything, when you put Liberia people first, the development will stay right there. So they should add something in our law book that anything they should, if they find Liberian people, then they start using foreign people. Or Liberian people, they can't use their own people. They will use foreigner. And a foreigner can't build a country, like the people own Liberian people to build that country. So all the things I wanted to add in our book. Add in our book too. And also I wanted to add to that when the Liberian children there, when they reach 18 years old, let them put it into the ROTC, Reserve Officer Training Course, the Army thing. You know, let them train them. Let the children train to be disciplined. Let the government set some money aside for high school children to do ROTC. We used to do that thing way back. You know, the ROTC, when the children do the ROTC like that, then they will be disciplined. You see, now we're saying like a lot of Guna children all in the street. They're all over. They're all over. because no discipline. And again, the city too bad. Monrovia too bad. Everybody building houses all over. And one of the things that you look at too, everybody, when you go look at the whole place block, people just building houses over one another. West Point, it was. Go Rela Market, the West again. Go Chicken Soup Factory, Battery Factory. To a town, single area is still West. So the government now, they need to put strong, they should put a law down that when you build a house on the road, they break it. Because how the development come in, they have to stay on strong on the law. They got to stay on law strong. They got to be strong on corruption law. They got to be strong on the zoning or ordinances. That is, people working with the city corporation to make sure that people build the house according to the government plan. That would be good. So nobody can start building houses all around like that in Monrovia today. And to keep the places clean, when you drop anything on the floor or on the ground in Liberia, they will punish you. You have to clean your place. The place too dirty. People should pass all the laws too. These are good laws we want for them to pass in Liberia. You see, so the people in Banga, the citizenship thing, they gotta look at it good. Let the people decide. Let the people decide. Because they be wasting time with the thing here. Because everybody, the citizen in Liberian citizens should come first. When you go in Ghana, when you go in other countries, they put the citizen first. But you can't in Liberia, we put our citizen last. That they buy one there. And the corruption thing too. When you steal, they go to court. When you're guilty, you pay the people money back and jail you. When you're serious in that one, see people will start stealing the government money. Then the government money go in for development. See, there are plenty of things we want to talk about. The next time I come again, we'll talk on the Banga meeting here. Even though I'm not in Banga, we'll talk it. That's my part of voice there too. Maybe the next time I will go there. But when they're doing it here, they should tell us to so we can come there. But they only take few people to go to Banga. I don't care wherever we are, they have to let us know so we all Liberians can go there and talk about the thing here. Thank you. Yeah, my name is Pastor Philip. May God bless Liberia. May God bless us.